So hi again. In this video I will show you how to set up the Advanced Message Maker. What does the settings mean? What you have to do when you first run it. So after you have installed it from the VI package that you can download from the NI community page, you can find it. You have to restart the LabVIEW, and after that you can find it in the Tools menu. It's called Advanced Message Maker. So on the first start it will ask you to show two passes to two folders, two temporary folders. One is the temporary controls folder and the other will be the temporary indicators folder. I use these two folders through the message making. I store the controls and the indicators of the VI that we use as the base of the send or receive messages. And you should have a right access to these folders, and these two folders have to be two different folders. If you choose the same folder for both temporary controls and temporary indicators, then the Advanced Message Maker will not function correctly. So I have made a folder in the C temp AMM controls. I choose it as the temporary controls folder. So I choose another folder for the indicators. Okay. So how does it look like? You have a projects list where you have all the opened projects listed. After you select one or multiple elements, you can scan through the project and then you will see possible candidates for the receive message. Those are VIs of the actors, and possible candidates for the send message, or possible candidates for the transmit message, where you should see a send message or the send messages that can be found in this project or in these projects, or the receive messages and all the actors that you can use as transmit actors. But now, for the first time, let's look in the settings. This is only a very basic window. Doesn't look very nice. I just wanted you to be able to set the settings that are located in an ini file. So the template path, I use template classes and VIs for the message making. Here you can see the passes to it. The names are probably self-descriptive. If not, then just don't change it. If you want to if you want to make your own experiences with this toolkit, you can have a look at these folders, you can change the templates, but I don't guarantee anything that it will work, that it will still work correctly. The folder structures, these are the these are the rules for the folder structure generation and how to name the messages. What will the new class name be of some types of messages. So I use this one, the receive message folder structure, the send abstract folder structure, the send message injection folder structure, send wrapper folder structure, and the transmit XYZ and transmit message folder structure. Here these new name formats are the name formatting of the classes, and this is true for classes, but this one and this one is true for two VIs. So this is not the naming of the classes, this is the naming of the new VIs. And this is what is important, and maybe you would like to change. Possibly you can change it. This is the relative path array of the new message class in this case, and in this case, and in these two cases the relative path array of the new VI. And this one, the send wrapper and the transmit XYZ, will be a method for the already existing classes, which are actors. So this is relative to the classes folder, and these other ones are relative to the class folder to the actors folder of the method that we have chosen as the basis of the message. So the double dot means to step up one folder, and this is we always extract a name for a message, and this is the placeholder that you define here, and then you should use the same string here when you want to insert the actual name of the message. So this is the folder structure. If you want to use a different folder structure than I use, then maybe you should make settings here also. If you don't want to make a so deep folder structure as I usually do, which is like this, that I have the actor's name, and inside that an actor subfolder, and under that a messages subfolder, and under the messages, inside the messages, I have a receive and a send, and after that comes only the subfolder of the message. If you want to make it in a different way, you can try it here. The message data folders, these are the temporary folders that we just have chosen. You can also change it here. Placeholder label. In some template files I have some placeholder data controls which are labeled as data, and then the scripting VIs know that it can be deleted. Don't change it. And the message injection cluster name. In the sender actor, in the actor which you make a send message for, in the private data of that actor, we will insert message injection data, the child data, which will be updated by the message injection message, and it is inserted into a cluster, and the cluster's name can be changed here. I use this name. If you change it after you have made some messages, then you will have two clusters. I suggest to leave it as it is, or change it right after you have installed this advanced message maker. And then you can press save or cancel. When you press cancel, nothing changes. The save saves the modifications. So it's all about settings, and in the next video I will show you how to use this advanced message maker.